Hello everyone, hello Taurus. This is your September monthly love readings. So, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising. So, if you could check out those videos as well, messages could resonate. First, I will pull out your energy, Taurus, 3 cards of your energy in September, and then your person's energy, 3 cards, and then we'll see the energies, overall energy of the month. So let's see. How it's the month for your relationship. So first card, Taurus, 2 of Cups. It's a great card. So some of you will be falling in love. Some of you are having good time in love. This is what I get. See, different situations. So this is for people who are in relationship, or they just have a new relationship. So this is like 2 of Cups. So 2 of Cups energy is like an equal give and take, or it could also be a new relationship. Somebody reaching out to you with lot of love, with lot of emotions for you. They are deeply in love with you. They are very attracted to you, and this is what I get. It's a divine timing also for you. This is the right person, for those who are falling in love right now, and your relationship is going great. Let me pull out 3 cards, as I said, so another 2 cards for your energy. So this is for some of you, Taurus, here. Ace of Swords. Now this card talks, Taurus, that maybe some truth, or some truth you will get to know some truth. Now we'll find out later in the readings. This is your energy, you might just get to know certain things about your relationship. It could be a positive thing, it could be a negative thing, but like this is the card of the truth, and it's a like divine time, divine blessing, that you should things that you wanted to know about your person, about them, you will get to know, Taurus, in this month. Some secrets, something will come out with this Ace of Swords here, and there will be clarity about the situation. You will get clarity, you will get the focus, you can make a decision. This is what I get with this card, that if you were waiting to make a decision, so with this Ace of Swords, even if it is a negative situation, supposingly I tell you that you get to know some secret, and then that relationship was never for you, you are just wasting your time on that. So the truth will come out. Whatever is in your interest, you will get to know in September. This is what I get, and you can either think of taking the relationship forward or moving away with this truth coming out. Now this is for some of you here, Ace of Swords. So clarity, truth coming out. So one more card, Taurus, your energy here. Ace of Cups. You love your person. I feel that you are deeply love overflowing. Now this is for some of you, might be in a some of you is a new love, and you are madly attracted to this person. You just can't stop yourself, and your emotions are overflowing here. And for some of you are already in the relationship, even they are having a very you are having something full of emotions, full of love, full of those intense feelings that you have in love here, Taurus. This is what I get, and this is like overflowing cup. It's abundance. You are feeling great with you want, the romance is high, and this is what I get. So Ace of Cups, new love for some of you. For singles, it could be suddenly you're attracted to someone, and you just want to rush and propose to them, and it's like it's not a very this relationship long term. It is a fresh one, new relationship basically it talks about, but it is overflowing with love, it's overflowing with emotions here. So 3 cards. Your side, you are really wanting the person. What I feel here, that you want your person, whatever relationship status it is, new, old, long term, you have worked hard towards it. You have a desire for the person still. Now let's see your person's energy here. You have a very positive card, madly in love with the person. Let us see your person's energy. So this is Nine of Swords. So somewhere this is your person's energy. They are not happy. They are not happy here. So I get just below this card, Taurus, the first card. This is the first card, your first card. This is your person's first card. So some of you in relationship are going through some kind of a crisis. You love this person, you had lot of emotion, but this person has some other worries. Maybe they are worried about something else, or they are worried about the relationship not going their way. Energies could be vice versa. So there is lot of, and it could also be you, that your relationship was going great and suddenly there were issues. It could be no contact, no speaking, that has left them restless. Either you are not talking to them or your person is not talking to them in some cases here, what I feel. And you feel tired, you feel drained, you feel exhausted. This is what there are sleepless nights. It could be a maybe temporary breakup too also, that could make them restless. So this was the first card, and this is the first card of your person here that I'm getting. It could be reverse energies also. So this is one thing I'm getting here. Taurus person's energy. Okay, so here Tower. So yes, there are, see, you got it below Ace of Swords here. So some of you might just give off this relationship. The relationship will crumble down. You might walk away, or they might walk away. Suddenly, there is a communication. You get to know a secret. That's what I was telling. Some truth is going to come out of your person. Maybe they were cheating on you, they were seeing someone else, or they were just breadcrumbing you, and you knew that they weren't in love. It was just that something you get to know, and then there is a breakup of relationship. This is just September energies. You will try to break up this relationship, or they might move away. This is what I get. It's coming with the Ace of Swords energy. The truth coming out, you get the now you can be decisive. So either you decide to break it, move away, or they decide. But it's like some of you are breaking away from this. Those who find out, it could be a third party situation also here, that you come get to know here. Love triangle or a third party situation, maybe your person and energies, as I told you, to reverse. So some secret or something is coming out here. One more card. One more card for Taurus's person. This is your Magician. So it has come, this is, I feel, for singles here. I feel here Magician. So maybe some of you who have walked away or are walking away might get attracted to some person, or this is for some, you were single for some time and you love, so you are like that magician. You are confident, you want to make things work, so you have all the tools here. See, Taurus, you have the cups, you have the swords, you have the wand, everything that is required to, you are confident and you have the power. So it seems that you want to just go and make this relationship work. This is for single energy, and it's gonna work, because you just need to take action. That is what is time, that you need to take action towards it. It is going to be a fulfilling relationship, but you must move forward. This is what I get, either you or they, because energy is reversed. Some communication must come, some effort must be put in, so that this relationship moves forward here. Definitely, if it is, then this new relationship is going to go great, Taurus. Now let me pull out a card for overall energy here. So you get new love, singles will get attracted to someone very to fatal attraction kind of a thing that I see here. So this is it, your relationship card for September. So September month, the first card, I'll pull out one more card. So you're deeply wounded. You are deeply wounded. You have been, they have been ignoring you, or you will be ignoring them. This is what is gonna continue in September here. There would be no communication, or very little communication, or but you will be, some of you will be not giving up on this relationship here. This is what I feel. You may still be sticking to your person. You know, maybe you will think sometimes to move away, but you will not move, and some of you will be still sticking to your person here. This is what, one more card I will just take out here. Queen of Cups. So some of you wounded, and some of you here Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is like feeling emotionally good about yourself. So maybe some of you will be in your self-care mode. Some of you will, those who will walk away from relationship, you know, if you walk away, you will be taking self-care, and you know, you will try to self-love, self-emotion, taking care of yourself, you know, feeling good, you know, distracting yourself to other things. This is what I feel here. Also, Queen of Cups for me is like in tarot, it's like change of direction. So some of you might just move away to a new person. This is what I get. So some of you are sticking, and some of you are moving away to another person here with Queen of Cups. Either you're in self-care, or you are looking for new love, or change of direction is also what I get here with this Queen of Cups. So this is it, Taurus, what I get for you here. Now I will just pull out an angel guidance card which helps your love life. You know, this is the guidance from the angel. Okay, so children, so you need to work with kids, it seems. You know, you need to do some work with kids. That will be a blessing for your love life. There are a lot of children who do not, you know, who need help. You could help them in some way or the other, and this blessing is going to come back to you. So this is it, Taurus, for September. Yeah, so this is, I just didn't want, you have the air sign, you have the fire sign, you have the cups here. So overall, this is your energy. See you in the next reading. Till then, take care, bye. And if you do like my readings and it resonates with you, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Till then, take care, bye, stay blessed.